When Israel was enslaved in Egypt, Pharaoh, afraid of being overthrown, ordered all Israelite baby boys killed. In order to save Moses, his mother placed him in a basket and put him in the river. Pharaoh's daughter found him and raised him as her own son. As a man, Moses discovered his true identity. One day, Moses saw an Egyptian guard mistreating a fellow Israelite and killed him. Then Moses fled Egypt. God visited Moses, telling him the time had come to return and set his people free. He wasn't sure, but then God showed him an amazing miracle, and Moses knew he must return. After many incredible events, Moses led the Israelites out of Egypt. Pharaoh chased them, but God kept watch over them as they crossed the Red Sea. Then God talked to Moses again, giving him laws, statutes, and commandments for his people, Israel.